This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recover Clock Vault photos. Immediately, you should open your Clock Vault application and navigate to its settings or main menu. Look for options like Trash, Recycle Bin, or Recently Deleted Files within the app itself. Often, photos are held there for up to 30 days before permanent deletion. This is the simplest first step to potentially retrieve your lost memories. If the in-app options do not yield results, consider using reputable third-party data recovery software. These programs are designed to delve deeper into your device's file system, searching for traces of deleted images. Choose a tool specifically known for photo recovery and follow its instructions carefully. Be aware that success rates can vary, but many users find positive outcomes. Dive into your specific Clock Vault application's advanced settings and menus. Look for any hidden Restore from Backup or Sync with Cloud features. Some applications automatically back up your content to a secure online server or to your device's general cloud storage. Checking these often overlooked areas can sometimes reveal a complete set of your previously hidden images. To prevent future photo loss, make it a habit to regularly back up your precious images to an external drive or a reliable cloud service. If all previous steps have failed, your next best action is to reach out directly to the Clock Vault app's customer support team. They might offer specific recovery methods or insights unique to their software, providing that one last chance for your cherished photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.